Welcome to this comprehensive guide on EveryDollar budgeting, a simple and effective way to manage your finances. EveryDollar is a free budgeting tool that helps you track your income and expenses, creating a clear picture of where your money is going. To get started, you need to understand the key concept of budgeting, which is allocating your income into different categories. EveryDollar uses a zero-based budgeting approach, where every dollar of your income is assigned to a specific category. First, you need to identify your income, including all sources of money you receive on a regular basis. Next, you need to list all your expenses, including fixed expenses like rent and utilities, and variable expenses like groceries and entertainment. Now, let's talk about practical examples of how to use EveryDollar. For instance, if you earn $4,000 per month, you can allocate $1,500 for rent, $500 for groceries, and $1,000 for savings. You can also assign dollars for debt repayment, entertainment, and other expenses. A best practice is to prioritize your expenses, starting with essential expenses like rent and utilities, followed by savings and debt repayment. You should also regularly review and adjust your budget to reflect changes in your income or expenses. Another key concept in EveryDollar budgeting is the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards essential expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. In conclusion, EveryDollar budgeting is a simple and effective way to manage your finances. By understanding the key concepts, using practical examples, and following best practices, you can create a budget that helps you achieve your financial goals. Remember to regularly review and adjust your budget to ensure you are on track to financial freedom.